Ladies and gentlemen, gathered before me today is a remarkable group of individuals who have encountered setbacks and challenges, yet remain resilient in their pursuit of success. I stand here to remind you that in those moments, when it feels as though life has thrown you off course, it is often just setting you up for something extraordinary. You see, my friends, setbacks are not failures. They are not signs that you should give up or retreat from your dreams. In fact, they are the stepping stones that pave the way to your greatest achievements. When life presents us with obstacles, it is an opportunity, a chance for growth, learning, and the discovery of our true strengths. Think back to a time when you faced adversity, a time when you thought you couldn't go on any longer. Now picture the moment when you overcame that obstacle. When you pressed forward with determination in your heart. It was in that very moment that you unleashed a power deep within you, a strength that you may not have even known existed. Just like the mighty oak tree, whose roots grow deep beneath the ground, we too have the capacity for resilience and triumph. Our setbacks, just like the storms that sway those strong branches, may bend us temporarily, but they do not define us. They only serve to nourish our growth by testing our mettle and pushing our limits. So, my friends, let us embrace the setbacks, for they are merely stepping stones leading us to better days ahead. Each hurdle we encounter provides an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to emerge stronger than ever before. It is within these moments that our characters are forged, that we discover our true potential. But let's not forget the importance of patience. When faced with setbacks, it's crucial to remember that we are in for a marathon, not a sprint. The path to success is rarely linear. It twists and turns, presenting us with unexpected challenges along the way. Embrace the journey, for it is through perseverance and resilience that we truly flourish. Take a moment to reflect on the many great minds throughout history, the pioneers, the inventors, and the leaders. They faced setbacks and failures, sometimes even more daunting than our own, but they pressed on, undeterred, knowing that the path to greatness is often lit by the fires of adversity. It was from their darkest moments that they forged their brightest triumphs. So, my friends, I implore you to hold on tightly to your dreams. Be relentless in the pursuit of your goals, and never let setbacks define your journey. Remember that you are more capable than you give yourself credit for. It is in moments of challenge and uncertainty that your true potential shines the brightest. Believe in yourself, trust in the process, and know that there are better days ahead, waiting patiently for you. Your setbacks are setting you up for something extraordinary, something beyond your wildest imagination. So, keep going, keep pushing, and keep believing. The best is yet to come. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe and share for more.